Hey everybody, it's Dr. Platt. I've had the pleasure this week of attending the University of California, San Francisco Oral Surgery Seminar on the Big Island. It's been great. The first lecture of the week actually was given by Dr. David Cullum on tunneling techniques for horizontal ridge augmentation. And I just wanted to remind everybody that my office does provide the SMART technique, which is basically a tunneling technique. SMART graft technique stands for submucosal minimally invasive aesthetic ridge augmentation technique, and it's got multiple advantages: less pain, less downtime, better results, and certainly less morbidity. The failure rate of the SMART technique is significantly less than other ridge augmentation techniques. So if you have an interest in an implant and have a defect, which is very common obviously, look into us. The SMART technique is certainly a great option for you. It's cost effective, and more than anything, it's way less invasive, which obviously leads to less pain and less downtime. So aloha and have a great week. Hope to see you all in the office soon. Thanks.